Hi friends, so we are doing an educational activity today. This activity can help kids to improve their number recognition, and to start with I have taken some colored pasta just so she feels interested to do it. You can use anything like popsicle sticks, anything that you have handy. And I have just written numbers from 10 to 20 on these paper checks, and I had some plastic numbers already available with me. So
here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
So let's start.
Let's start.
Mishka,
So many lessons.
let me arrange it to
Let's start.
You have to count them first.
Count them first. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
13. So we have 13 pasta with us. So Mishka, can you see number 13 here? Can you find number 13?
okay.
Is it 13?
No, he's here.
This is 13. Great.
This car is 13.
So can you please make number 13 for me here? For these numbers?
1.
Number 13. See how is it?
It's good.
How is it written on this paper?
No.
See? Make number 13 for me.
Another.
Great. That's how 13 is written. Okay? 1 and a 3 together make 13. Okay. I'm going to hide this 13 again, and you have to find 13 for me once again. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Come. Can you please find 13 again for me?
Okay. No. 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 13.
And a 3 together make 13. Okay, would you like to write it for me? Let's trace.
You hold it here.
Okay.
Here. You hold it
Here, right here.
here. Oh, go right here. And then 1. And the S.
So this activity has really helped my daughter to recognize differentiate numbers after 10 from 11 to 20. I hope this activity helps you too. If you have got some value out of this video, then please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. See you later.